Have you ever stopped to marvel at the complex machinery that is the human body, the way it recovers and rebuilds itself after injury? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of wound healing, a process as intricate as it is crucial to our survival. First, to understand wound healing, think of it as a theatrical play, a drama in 4 acts: hemostasis, inflammation, proliferation, and maturation. Act 1, hemostasis, is the opening scene, where the body springs into action immediately after an injury. The blood vessels contract to limit blood loss, and platelets form a plug, a kind of temporary patch, to cover the wound. They also release chemicals that attract other cells to the scene. Just as the curtain falls on hemostasis, Act 2, inflammation, begins. The area around the wound becomes red, swollen, and warm to the touch. This is not a cause for alarm, but rather a sign that the body's defense system is in full swing. White blood cells rush in like soldiers to clean the wound and fight off any invading bacteria. Midway through our drama, we have Act 3, proliferation. This is where the real magic happens. New tissue forms, filling the wound and replacing the temporary plug with a stronger, fibrous one. Blood vessels regrow, like tiny vines, to nourish the new tissue. Lastly, we have Act 4, maturation, where the wound fully heals. The new tissue reorganizes itself, becoming stronger and more like the tissue it replaced. This can take weeks, months, or even years, depending on the size and severity of the wound. Now, if you're enjoying this journey through the human body, consider subscribing to Mind Musings, where we delve into the wonders of biology and beyond. To recap, wound healing is a complex, dynamic process that involves several stages, each crucial to the next. From the initial response to limit blood loss to the final stage of tissue regeneration, the body works tirelessly to repair itself. And while this process is often taken for granted, it is an essential part of our survival. So, the next time you get a cut or scrape, remember the marvelous process your body is embarking on. It's a testament to the resilience and complexity of the human body, a drama unfolding in real time, right under your skin. And remember, the name of the game is patience. Healing takes time, and rushing the process can lead to complications. So take care of your wounds, give your body the time it needs to heal, and marvel at the wonders of your own biology. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wound healing. Here at Mind Musings, we're always striving to make the complexities of science easy to understand and fascinating to learn about. Until next time, keep musing and keep learning.